Hi everyone, welcome back. We've got another Wera tool here. I just couldn't help myself, but I'm not really a big fan of ratcheting screwdrivers, but after using just a normal screwdriver, it does play a bit on your wrist, and then trying to keep the screwdriver on the screw. But in this way, using a ratchet screwdriver, it'll stay there, and then you can just twist your wrist. But I'm hoping it'll make it easier with the amount of time that I'll be using it. It should be fine, but I thought I'd just pick it up because I'm going down this Wera tool cycle. Start a bit. I'm becoming a fan of Wera tools. So yeah, I know I'll be only using them now and again, but it's just nice to have it. I'm a tool guy, so I couldn't resist in getting it. But yeah, it's not cheap. I think it's over about 30 quid or £30. I don't know how much it is in dollars, but so it's a KK27RA. That's the model number. Got all the tips in there. Fine ratcheting tooth. So yeah, ergonomically, there's the other info. I'm not going to go too much into that. I'm sure you've seen other videos with them in. So let's dive into what you get in the box. There we have it. We've got the screwdriver. Again, you get the sticker and everything. Let's get rid of that and have a look at the screwdriver. So you got your screwdriver, you got your hex. That's brilliant. You can put, I know you're not supposed to, but probably get a spanner on there and then help yourself torque anything down. But we're not going to use it for that. If you want to torque it down, I'll probably get the other set. That's on my wish list. But that bottom bit, I think that's metal. Rotate it, middle, it doesn't ratchet. But listen to this. That is nice. That is smooth. That goes both ways. That sounds even better. Wait, seems to sound better one way than the other. But I like the feel of it. But yeah, that's pretty nice. And then the other feature it's got, there we go. You got the bits, all the bits. You got the pH one. It seems as though they put the pHs in here, but not in the normal tools, normal screwdriver sets. You got the PZ1, PZ2. You got the 5.5. What's that one? 1.2. What? Let's have a look at this one. Oh, 1.2 by 6.5. So, okay, that's 1.2. Let's have a look. Get the calipers out again. When it says things like that, I have to have a look at it. So, let's zero that. That's 0. Oh, missed it. So that's 6 mil. It says 6.5. So why is that 6? Right. That is a 6 mil and it says 6.5 on there. If I'm reading that wrong. Take a close look at that. Yeah, it says 6.5. And then 6.0. So yeah, there's a misprint on that one. That says 6.5. Anyway, and it's 1.2 thick. Let's have a look at that. If anybody thinks I'm doing this wrong, please let me know in the comments. And that should say 1.2, but yeah, I'll be close enough. Now I want to check the others. There's a little bit of a mistake on that one. So this one is a 5.5 and 1 mil thick. Right, okay, let's have a look at that. So that's 0. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's 5.5. 5.5. And let's see the thickness. 1 mil. Okay. I'd say that's close enough. Yeah, that's not too bad. Yeah. Wera, found a mistake. There we go. So yeah, PH1, PH2, PZ1, PZ2. Probably got all the ones that you need. Obviously, you can put other bits in there to suit what you want to use it for, but that's just about everything that I would need. I don't think I'd need to buy any other sets to expand my normal screwdrivers. It's all in here. I like that. I like that click. That sounds really nice. And that's with the button on top there. Yeah, just need to improve on their quality of work, really. Get rid of these bits. That would actually, after time, if you're using it a bit, would dig into your hand. But yeah, this is slightly bigger than the normal screwdrivers and it fits really well. But I'm really happy with this ratcheting though. Nice. Let's try again. Let me know in the comments if you think that sounds different. Well, all in all, I'm happy with that. If you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe and